In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Universal Styles Pen to Samsung tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use one of these Universal Styles Pen on your Samsung tablet, regardless of the model. So you can find these sorts of Universal Styles pens, as they are called, on places like eBay and Amazon. The thing with these pens is that you don't actually have to connect them. So even though I'm saying connect in the title of this video, they require zero connection. Most styluses will be connected over Bluetooth or by physically pairing them together, but this particular one doesn't require anything. All that you have to do is power it on. So for most of these, you will power it on either with a physical button on the pen itself or by double tapping at the top. Immediately upon tapping it, you should see some LEDs light up and some sort of indicator that the pen or the stylus is now powered on. With this, it is usable. You don't actually have to set up anything. You don't have to download applications. You don't have to go over to these settings. These styluses are designed to work on basically any tablet without the need for setup. That's why they are so cheap. Of course, they won't have the advanced features that other styluses like the S Pen will offer, such as the one where it cancels out your palm if you touch the screen while using the pen, and other comforts that are nice to have, but it is going to work. It is easy to use, and like I said before, because it doesn't require setup, it is a nice option for most people. They come in various different colors and usually go for about $9.99 on places like eBay and Amazon. And this is going to be true for every single device. So even if you have another tablet that is not from Samsung, for example, Redmi tablet, all that you would have to do is power on the stylus. So this is the important thing. Just make sure that you power it on and you don't require any sort of setup. Of course, if your particular pen does not work this way, then most likely you will have to use Bluetooth, but assuming that you have one that looks somewhat like these, and the box states stylus pen or anything generic like universal pen, then you don't even have to connect it. It is going to work right away as soon as you power it on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Universal Stylus Pen to Samsung tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.